And this is our 2024 Promaster Super High Roof.
Water!
So if you watched our window install, you'll know that I accidentally clogged our drain holes that I didn't really know existed because there was no instructions regarding that you shouldn't urethane over these. And here's me doing exactly that. What a dummy. And so while I'm happy that there are no actual leaks because of the lack of urethane in the seal of the window to the van, the rain will pull into the groove where the window opens and it will eventually seep to the inside. So I contacted the outfitter that sent the windows and also talked to support from AM Auto, and they kept telling me to stick something skinny and sharp down into the groove to poke a hole through the urethane, but I kept contacting metal, so I was afraid to push through that, and rightfully so. I pulled the gasket out of the groove and was running this coat hanger around trying to find the hole. It's hard to stick your head through the window to see visually, so I ended up just recording it. And to my surprise, there's apparently no holes that you can see here. And they're so small that you can't fit a coat hanger in there. I doubt you can fit an ice pick in there like they were telling me to. So I ended up using that other photo to reference and finding the 3 holes. And then I roughly masked the borders of those holes just so you guys could see where they're at. If you have the same problem, you can just line a tape measure out and mask it out yourself. And I found the best way to release the water is just to get a sharp blade and run that blade just to the interior surface of the window. You want to make it sure the blade is flush to that surface. And there's just enough width in there to slide the blade in. And then you can run the blade horizontally just to make sure that you're in the channel, but you're going to see the water come out, so you know you're in the right spot.